We're the Essary family, and we're exploring America, one destination at a time.
Sorry, I threw that on your chair. My bad. What's up, buddy? In a little bit, we will. Yeah. We got some stuff outside we got to do, too. So, we're just knocking some stuff out inside. Waiting for it to warm up. Okay. Now, it's crazy because not every move day is exactly the same. This one's a little different. We have decided to procrastinate, I guess, on a vast majority of the stuff that we usually do. So we take the time that whenever we get ready to move, because we have to move some stuff, is we just move everything. So we move couches out. We find little Jasper toys everywhere. We reorganize. We do dishes, at least once every 3 weeks.
We used a lot yesterday.
We did use a lot yesterday. I got some stuff outside that I'm going to show you that is a little bit different from the last time that we kind of moved. But I can't say that I'm sad with moving. This site was definitely it wasn't ideal for sure. It was a very nice site as far as the view goes, and the quietness of the entire park. But this one is a little different.
Yeah, it's a little more ghetto.
Well, I don't know if I would say ghetto. It's not. What's updated? It's not updated. It doesn't have some of your modern amenities as far as just the niceness, and the newness of something. But
yeah, we don't have full hookups. We don't have a sewer hookup in this one. So we either have to go dump or, as much as possible, go take showers down in the facilities. Not our favorite showers. Definitely not as nice as the last place we were in. It feels like camping.
It does. It does. So we've done a lot of camping in the past. I'm just fixing your toys. And it definitely feels like that. Like Corps of Engineer, state parks, national parks, that's what this feels like.
Which camping has its place, but since we do this mostly full time and it's getting cold weather and we've been here for 3 weeks, camping was not on our list of things to do. We understand we are going to run across campgrounds that are like this.
Yes, and to be fair, they do have sites that are 30 and 50 amp that do have sewer hookup. Unfortunately, we did not get one of those.
Yeah, those are mostly safe for the annuals.
So whenever you don't get one of those, it definitely makes a difference in kind of how you do things.
I will say, we're in a beautiful spot.
Beautiful.
We're in a beautiful spot. We lucked out. And the staff here has been amazing. They have all kinds of activities almost every weekend. They have something going on. They celebrate every single little thing you could possibly imagine.
No, they did absolutely great as far as just the different events that they have.
Yeah,
gold star on this
weekend
place.
We've been here. They've had 3 days of activities. So that's been really nice. But yeah, I'm ready to move on to our next spot. It's always exciting. I think moving day is exciting just to see where we're going to end up.
Especially since it's a place we've never been before.
Yeah.
So maybe
I think all
a
these
year or two,
are places we've never
when we kind of go back and we're looking to kind of do a different direction, or we get caught up into an area that we really like, then maybe it'll become more of a rotation that we'll be looking forward to going to a place because we've already been there and it's a great place to be.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to repeat this one as of now. I think if they did some updating to their facilities, we would think about it, but I don't think we'll be repeating this one anytime soon.
So you'll see our review of the place, but
Yeah, check out Thousand Trails Bay Landing. That's where we're at right now.
But we're getting ready to move to our next spot, which
We have 2 hours to get it done. Shouldn't be a problem.
yeah. What are you doing?
This is wants to touch it.
Well, we're gonna look for your toys here in just a second, okay? Because I know you have way more than that. So we're gonna get everything tidied up. We'll show you the rest of all what happens, and we'll go from there.
Although it never looks the same.
Never. Find better ways of doing it, or you just get lazy and you don't want to do it that way. So
Usually the dishes are done the night before.
yeah, like I said, we were a little lazy on this one, mainly because it's cold and we hibernate in the cold. That's why we're trying to get to warm temperature as fast as possible, so we'll get out and actually want to do things. But I'm really excited about the next place. I really am. I really don't.
I don't want to do anything.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta leave. I do, because I want to
So last one we had a full hookup. So we had a sewer line, everything was great, hooked up to it. This one we did not. So I've taken a lot of trips with the little buggy here to make sure that we stay empty on the necessary things. But how do we transport it? That's the thing. There's different ways of doing it. I've seen so many, no matter where we go, they're always different. I've seen some actually hook it onto their ladder in the back, which if you have a really nice one, that's not a bad thing if you know it connects and everything's okay with it. Mine is really old. It's been given to me, so you know, money I didn't have to spend, which was really great. But I've also seen where people put it up underneath the bottom of their RV. So that is what we are going to do. I've already done it once. It was a pretty easy process. It stayed there during the whole travel time. So now I got to go put it all back together. So we're going to take care of some stuff outside and hopefully hook up and get out of here on time. We'll see. It's really nice outside today too. Really bright.